The drought has severed the beans, but the apples are sweeter, and the berries too. The flowers are in bloom, and the ampalayas are a success finally. We've got lots of things to show and tell here on Channel 1, where we grow, cook, and share. Hello, warm welcome. Welcome to our summer tour. High summer garden tour. I'll be showing you the developments here. My ampalaya, what else? Mais and the flowers. The beauties of summer. Join me. This will be short and exciting. First, let's go to the flowers. This area is now occupied by dahlias. As you see, they are now in their full bloom. It used to be an area dedicated to tulips, but during the summer the ground deserves better display. That's why dahlias. I think this will be a permanent place for my dahlias, as well as here on the other side. There are dahlias here too, until there, but I don't know what caused the delay of the flowers for these plants. I don't know. We need to deadhead the dahlias for continuous blooms the entire summer. This area too is planted, usually planted with dahlias, and here too. But I think due to the drought, there are not much flowers this year. Nevertheless, I've already made, I think, 4 flower arrangements for the church. In contrast, Manang Grace's beautiful dahlias this year. I'll show them to you as well. To the corn and vegetable section now. Same story here. Due to the drought, they are maturing prematurely. And voila, my first harvest of corn. The apples are beginning to ripen, but I think I'm just going to give them to the birds because they started munching on them. Lots of fallen apples. The grape arch has collapsed. This is the first task after the summer, but the grapes is laden with fruits. I'm very happy. And there's more red grapes at the fence. Not only that, berries as well. I'm more excited to show you the ampalayas. If you remember, I asked you for help how to solve the yellowing. And thanks to your suggestions, using a newspaper, suuban ko na ni Clarence. Thank you, Clarence, and Manang Nilda Amoroso, and my Auntie Yoli. Well, I did all your suggestions. I wrapped them. I even smoked them. And I was even apprehended for starting smoke here at the garden. It's forbidden. But successful. Look what I've got here. Can you recommend a dish with ampalaya? Our chayote survived, but I'm not optimistic it's able to bear fruit this year. And due to the drought, the beans matured too early. And introducing the newest fun at the garden, banana. So thank you for joining me here today at the garden. That concludes our short tour. I'll leave you with the shots of the other flowers which bloomed earlier this summer. See you in the next video. I hope you've been inspired to do gardening, cooking, as well as sharing, and be self-sufficient. Thank you.